Well, all right, what's up, y'all? Today we're gonna do a little short step aerobics. I'll incorporate some low impact cardio with it. March it out. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tap your board. Let's go. Tap, tap, tap. Switch it up. Tap, tap, tap. Up and down. Let's go. Up, up, up. Switch it up. Up, 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 up. 2 jacks. Up, jack it out. Up, jack, you got it. Up, 2 jacks. 2 jacks. Now up and down. Up and down. You got it. Stay here. Switch it up. Corner knee. 4, 3, 2. Leg curl. 4, 3, 2. L step. Switch it up. Do it again. One more. Heel tap. 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 Now put that heel down again. 4, 3, 2. Up and down. 4, 3, 2. Had to check my shoestring. Switch it up. 4, 3, 2. Up and down. 2 jacks. Let's go. Up. Jack it out. Up. Jack. Up. Now I'm doing a modified jack. Up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel tap. Corner knee. Leg curl. Side leg. Up and down. Switch it up. Let's march it out. March. 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 Tap that board and raise your arm. Switch it up. Oh, 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 oh. All right now.